ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದ್ರಿಕಾ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾನು ವಿನಯ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಶನೈಶ್ಚರ ಗ್ರಹದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಹಾರ, ಶನೈಶ್ಚರನ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಎನ್ನೋದು ಯಾರೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ. ತುಂಬ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾರು ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್. ವಿನಯ್ ಗುರೂಜಿ ಅವರು, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಬರ್ತ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಇವರೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಈ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಚುವಲ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸು ಈ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಜಾತಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವರು ಕೊಡುವ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು, ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚಾಗದೇ ಇರೋ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು. ವಿನಯ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರ ಫೀಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳು ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೇನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ವಲ್ಲಭಂ ಗಜಾನನಂ ಏಕದಂತಂ. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಯ. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಯ. ಓಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶತ್ರುಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಶಯ. Hi everyone, welcome back to Astrologic. Now before moving to the actual topic, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe to the channel, you will always stay connected with me. You're not going to miss any video. I post a feature video, long video every Saturday at 9 p.m. and every Wednesday at 9 p.m. I post a YouTube shorts which is less than 1 minute. All the videos are intended to solve certain problems that we have in our lives. That's the objective of this channel. Also, if you like this video, if you comment on this video, if you share this video with others, if you subscribe to this channel, YouTube is going to take these videos to more and more people. It's going to show these videos to more and more people. Therefore, more and more people can watch them and they can also get benefited. So indirectly you are helping others as well as this channel to grow. Thanks for understanding. Okay, so let's jump into the actual topic today. So people who come to me are mostly youngsters who are working in corporate, who are working in different MNCs, in middle management roles, and sometimes even senior leadership roles. And there are situations in life when we start fearing of job loss, given how artificial intelligence is growing day by day, given its influence. Initially we had only ChatGPT. Now we have generative AI as well, which can do many more things. Not just that, even in manufacturing, because of acquisitions of companies, process transformations, so many things. There are so many factors because of which there can be layoffs, there can be job cuts. Some of the people who come to me also have this fear that, there are instances where it's a startup and they are not getting enough funding, so the company is planning to wind up, job layoffs, so on and so forth. So without wasting any time, in this video I just want to give you a quick tip on the remedy for addressing job loss. So if you do this, either you will stick to the same job miraculously, or even if you have to leave that job, even if you are asked to leave for whatever reasons, you will be able to find another job very quickly. Okay, so let me bring up one such chart where a person has to move out of the current company. Practical example, because I don't speak in air, so if I go to one of the charts, so let's look at this chart. Now this native has the fear of job loss because of various things going on in his current company. So what is one of the remedy? This is not the only remedy, but one of the quick remedy is that look at the 11th house from where Saturn is sitting. Now you can see that Saturn is sitting here in the 9th house. So this is the 8th house and this is the 7th house from the ascendant. However, from Saturn, this is the 12th house and this is the 11th house. And who is sitting in 11th house? Rahu is sitting with Venus in the 11th house. So very simple, you have to do remedy for the planets Rahu and Venus, and also for the planet which is ruling this particular sign. Who rules this sign? Moon rules this sign. So the remedy has to be performed for Rahu, Venus and Moon. What are the remedies? Now in various videos I would have spoken about remedies for each and every planet. Definitely if you have watched some of those videos, you will remember. However, for Rahu, definitely Subramanya. You have to fall at the feet of Subramanya. The Moola Mantra of Subramanya, visiting Subramanya temple, offering prayers there, doing Sankalpa there, that will help. And for Venus, keep Fridays clean, don't eat non-veg on Fridays, visit the Devi temple close to your place on Fridays, offer sevas, prayers, especially find out who is your home goddess, Kula Devata, and surrender to your Kula Devata. That will definitely help. For Moon, in my previous video itself, I had given a fantastic remedy, that is giving 2 kilos of raw rice or 2 liters of raw milk to a Shiva temple on a Monday for at least 2 Mondays in a month. So these are some of the remedies. Please do these remedies and definitely you will be either miraculously retained in the same company. By any chance, if you have to move out of your current company, there is a high probability of you getting a job very quickly elsewhere. And if you analyze your chart and if you are not able to find out what remedies you need to perform, please feel free to contact us and we will help you out with that. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you are watching this video till here, then you definitely deserve free giveaways, free bonus. Please continue to watch this video for just a little over 2 minutes from now, and you stand a chance to get free telephonic consultation with me on any of the coming Saturdays, and you also stand a chance to get 50 plus pages free personalized numerology report for yourself. All the best. Thank you. We have few free giveaways. You stand a chance to get 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself or any other person along with the birth chart, and most importantly, you will also get a chance to consult me. It's a free telephonic consultation on any of the coming Saturdays on first come first serve basis. So what you will have to do for this, you just have to send this message that I need free report and consultation to this number, and then we will ask you to complete certain very simple tasks, and once you complete it, you will have a 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself, and you will also get a free consultation. Okay, so let me stop this video, and if you think that this video was of any help to you, please ensure that you like this video, you comment on this video, share this video with your loved ones so that they also can get benefited, and finally don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, the more you like, comment, share and subscribe, the YouTube algorithm is going to take this video to more and more people, and more people will get benefited. Thanks a lot for watching once again. Until next time, be good, do good, stay safe. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.